Tested by 1212 Mosonfo Madiana Watu Moto the General, aka Social Media President, aka Political General, aka Kumasi Mayor. Or first time now, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comment and share. Next time to say what Tumoto, Jumedia Midi, Abrophobia Adaroma, and a summer somebody Media Bro, Danny Dana, send to say K-Mesa Stabilo trees. Oba Kumasi Krojo Mwana Ope Loto Agentia, Wama Loto Aya Konwa, a K-Mesa Stabilo trees, Fisa Onono, a Kukudama, Omo Krojo Mua, Omo Loto operators, Omo Ding, if from Ken Kabi because Kawa Moto, a Jetri Mr. Adams Oshembi, a year Mr. Frank Shembi, Sasuna, a year hot a kahun. Sakukudam when so K-Mesa Stabia Ceremony Loto Juman Ehuno, and Tichaba Koma K-Mesa Stabilo trees, a war of Francho Bronco Junction. Nabu said that was the Tichaba Koma K-Mesa Stabin Bibia Kosaka Papa, Sasuna Kusi Casual, or a year Bantama Masalachi down, Tuchi Kusi Casual, say war material, say we need material, or Bepam African wear, Kaftan, and as a suit, correct one pa, on say Bantama for boys, Muchatosopa, a Kusi Casual, and I say Osano, and Ticonon Pump correct one for show. Make us say, "Ebi awo yoba usu, ena kusika jo amema nko adebi. Ne ho kani wo so pam manta de defe pa de no hye ho. Kona kusika jo ne ho kani empam eye manta de defe pa show. Saso na ye Rogers Beauty Palace ahofefie. Ye o ma bi wo ha o me makeup so abeka sasabonsam. Because the ye makeup artist now koye adwuma no enkoye. Nti mo pese obe makeups. Na obe sa adwea. Ko Rogers Beauty Palace so Kwan kasane nye wash mo nya acrylic kama fama and one Rogers Beauty Palace wa Francho on search ruwa bank ni din hwe ni mo Francho station na saso na Prestige Court eye bia eje ahome ewo eye Kokobin New Site Junction me say Prestige Court ba Kokobin New Site Junction boys no mo da few I won't go no because serene environment Enya ho anye baby ya koda eye Prestige Court na bedamase ye ko have videos upon videos because what tomoto eye video reactions na me ye atija dwumadie no ye ko have first video of eye Kevin Taylor or ye de hunu bi ye ko na sisi
Stonebwoy Apache Stonebwoy kan Mumuzan say sa set match concert no be no hano sikana origin wa hano sa sikana obi ka so the man of Ghana obeji onje if a disabled or a disability person pulls a gun in public and tries to shoot another Ghanaian, that disability person is not supposed to be given any international platform. That person is basically a crazy mad dog.
Welcome back guys. Video na when you go so a video of a ehwampam we a friend ehwampam ofodoncho or kwasia jeje Jimmy for Kevin Taylor. Na Kevin Taylor anyambia Stone Guard or hono wabeto wade bi o wade bi wabeto awantwia jai o ye no na nipa na wo embi no emfa hey because nipa na wo embi no he is doing great things we anyoma yakwaso Stonebwoy abrabum Kevin Taylor jai say o ye envy no because I say o envy e ECG say o ni ECG for ya kai sum ne bekun Kevin Taylor the only Stonebwoy and the only one guy there. I said the only ECG, what a gun and only ECG for watching. Or bet my Joe light, unya light to move him, Eba Jones. Concert when we Stone Guard. Now I'm ready. Ekoswo. Ubin and Canchero. You want somebody to tell you, Jai Jimmy Jan class some now and Kevin Taylor, Ubian Canchero, Mecatro. Ada like I said earlier, Ada Wabeto Wadi and one Chioka, and I'm a Jimmy Sano. What kind of rubbish is this? Yeah, he's our biggest artist. Right now, on any artist are Oye Bibi Okrumwa. The likes of Sarkodie, Samini, Shatawale, Kevin Boy, Last May, Don KYG, Blacko Sharif, YP, Kofimole, Strongman Bena, Osekrom Sikani, Lewekajo, Achua Hine the Warrior, name them. Paukese was a release banga. I'm on 4 years, Juma. Jase wo go move you know Kimpaluta so say ho rap father say ho agudi even na odi masa if you can promote our artists leave them neja class sam no Kevin Taylor so wutimi nya bibia mo Stonebwoy brand na jajimi na wujimi no obi antum che nko school ase ana wa fa man fo okroma uchi omoka wa badam obi brand no so na banu dem chokoro ka ye ready agora na siampanyini Tamo starts to cry. Odia na yema no a baby obeduru kwa na yema na wo pesa o nipa fon tantan bi sa no we ready. Wo de wo se ka dada pa 207 A number. The CCI Moizo ngo kwanu su bi ne wo Kevin Taylor wo sesa cast ni bi pa kwasi adedende ade no why say pompo esi na ho dentwe wo fodontwo janu no nya de oye ene e be hwa ma be wu be hwo e fe twan surumo Stonebwoy shaka Kevin Taylor surumo wo fodontwo now yes Stonebwoy no hu o gas wo hu bi ne biggest artist didn't come out say wo fodontwo bia wo te e kitchen studio no ka so wo hwadaje oni hwadaje o ja jimi na o jimi no ade no de o ye no e typical ahoya kama obi hunu nya na ka ye nchesi no ade na fie ni so udi nko asem sa no yesi ye tia ne ye tia ne ye mamu ntoto bo free park ne so makwasiafo who you be Kevin Taylor who you be aboa manu aboa no music industry ma ujimi me jimu ha ensa se Kevin Taylor jimu ha se no ena no ma kese so koma one guard o ko he video of one guard one Wyclef after some kobo show tie nipa de o ya de esa mpa nifo se amfo na channel to aso so na se na onua hu de we one guard ye na o se kai o se me invite you from show to house as yampanyini o ga say o di agro ye ko video of one guard one Wyclef e show one side
Chinkafa da Waakye
Chinkafa
da Waakye but it can in today world you go like Waakye. So when you go Ghana, any Ghanaian just say Waakye. The first name is the typical, original, undiluted name. You know, just for the lessons. You get me? But Waakye is what we all know it, and it's the rice and pea. That's origination of rice and pea that spread all over from Africa, going to the Caribbean.
Going all over Jamaica.
Come check out Brown it is.
Ricardo, I know you're Jamaican. Y'all ain't invent rice and peas.
So that's so we have like 3 types of sauce for it. This is the red sauce with it, like the tomato sauce. We call it stew, and then this is the more spicy sauce. So it comes together with it, and then you have some grated cassava. You grate the cassava. You call it gari. That's what you eat it with. Anything else goes with plantain.
That's the illusion. That's the separation.
The separation.
Right? So once somebody can get past the separation and the illusion, then they realize we are one. And now when you one, language don't matter no more. Because you're dealing off of what we used to deal off. Vibration. You know what I'm saying? So it's like the link, man. The link, Stonebwoy, the way that you do that, it's not, for me to see that, it's just insanely amazing. I mean, I've been following you a minute now, so I'm ready, man.
Welcome back, guys. Zone Diako. We see Townsumo, Miss Obi Woo. Video, Obi Woo. Kevin Taylor, Miss Omu Woo, a Chomusum of Funseta. Ogase Diagroha. Ogase easy. We nyen patwa Wyclef nyen patwa Jamaica field no mo so mo na dance no mo yene die we oye giant enti Stone Guard nyen patwa right now e dia ba isem no we ne friend if you can't beat them you join them they say no Stonebwoy and Abim nation muntimi mbo mo join them I tell you people we should stop the enviness they can't be telling any enviness because she say Wyclef mo kura e hwa de from afar aboafunu na wo adwe we Wyclef mama ya adwuma ni bi da no omo kra from afar because adwuma na omo ya no bi na kuta o vibration na bi na order nam ni pe big obi up say na wo de wujimi hwe de Wyclef no kra no from afar hwe de oye na wo ne tia kwasia o de say Mr X na Mr One mo de say musuma nya jimi na motete na obusa bi yo na mo de mana ye ba ba so Mr X na One kwasia fo mienu Muka yedi agro a. Ede no. Mrs Kevin Taylor twansuru mu o. Na shi wo kokko wo ubewu. Ana ekoso no. Videos na etwa gu no. Because me who post to be a Wyclef sakoye o say dey. Me see me beku ni po ha. Wyclef say amazing to spend time with my brother Stonebwoy at the crib yesterday. Learn so much about Ghana. As yampany no nya ade kura sa na trance kire say adwane ye dey Waakye na Waakye ne kura. This is the real name of Waakye. Chinkafa da Waakye. One guard on this size. Me kura one guard nya na comment da o. Minim say tinka fa na kona we so nko but Vanguard was say chere say a combination of money hey chere say pepe Brad Vanguard say uti say Vanguard cross say chef kan Vanguard uti say chef e fase e de no otan ene ahoye a na eku enipa bi okromu a yenti kromu a yen nyina ya de nyina one don satawale ko fa Beyonce collabo ba yan begin up yan say ho ma no e de na ya say otan bi say Stonebwoy nko ni still na amujimi me say he Stonebwoy forget obi awate me efi ada message what kappa enipa sa ka kire ye say you know what cap was scripted na me say kaish when you aka say me say what's on yon call town na yampa obi wa ye den wa town Stonebwoy ha ho nkwasiafo ho chekai na Jimmy for me pasama ne house so Kevin Taylor we tie Jimmy ane how abra Wyclef mu nyina afilie dog Jimmy for no twifa so yeah some be wasa kwura mama who say from last week iba the Vanguard nko wasa kwa wura legendary Bob Marley studio be no ye recordings tena ho me say tena ho Vanguard is pushing Ghana on one ways or pushing Ghana on pushing Ghana na so be say Ghana eto jewa na sanama ka se ka abrochire no munim say mu be tena abrochire ma be Jimmy say ya e se ka abrochire na ko be man ko ma be tenem mo ko tena abrochire be di mu kromafo atam say dia ko ma tena ya da na nkwasiafo de onwu ye kura na oka ade awuye ni apache na wo frɛ no wo but na kwa na ye mienu a na sisi on abofunu nya na watekeche eye sa adwuma wi no obi Kevin Taylor jade o ye no jai ewiase nkwa wiye se we ye so ye be mato bi betima sikana na wote hwim ayai ye we hye sa ma obi but jade o ye no jai Jimmy na o Jimmy no na abo a wo kan ni bre idini ya watu moto de general ke social media president ku massime your political general Friday bia mo Angel FM mene ID unpredictable boss kese ba kope 4 to 6 nya agudi kura e dim komo ho entertainment drive time big ups to Wysa na Wysa why ni nyina na Wysa okay said ye begusu e kan e video reaction so na atija ne de be ba fa bia na ba fa e video of Kevin Taylor o Jimmy ya sa ba wuro makwa video of Stonebwoy when Wyclef ya sa hu poster Wyclef e say ho Vanguard because bibi e kosoma Vanguard ye ko another video ye come see here
onte onu monsa president bia no wono ma onu monsa ese president Mahama yes your bosses kwa udi ade koso onko sai nkura ontumi nsai because we be no abo I'm telling you this.
Welcome back guys. Oko here video of a MPP communication team member or can send before a ex-president Mahama ho Yamongura caption I say former President Mahama can take me to court. He is drunkard and a drunkard can't rule the nation. He can't even hear or communicate well after 6 p.m. NPP communication team member. Waakye radio station. Or in the name of politics inti. Papa ni monyamfo say. Mesi merebi. Ya na samu say yakasa. Nkasa ma party o. Eduru mi abekasa ma party. You go see am. Ya yakasa. Ade ye hie ni abekasa. Listen to me carefully. Men kasa because of say party bi di muda. Listen to me. And I make asamatia a chere sankofo mu. What's your MPP communication team member? Oh, kase Mahama ye kowinsani. In this obisu kwatena radio station o kase ba omiaso ye kowinsani a. Yemfa na sa on. Enti yempanyimfo na omo bedi eso na ye sora na yakosi radio stations, yakosi TV stations all in the name of politics ni ye horo mo na ye di o matem no. Communication member wakwatena on onkenye sasamo a o party ni ba ya wa ya amayen. Enyoma o party na ye na nyoma o party ni gusu be ye a ye beto abanama no Jimmy Samsi ya na ye mo nyasa. How in the name of politics? Na anyambia se Mahama boro ya na wo so ye konsani wo fodoncho ade na ya na masesesa waduru hene politics no kura ye na waduru hene wakwatena radio station say Mahama can take you to court na agudi ne se mo na ka hu bi because what tim say agudi amudi ai se mo ba se mo so mo fro bi Jack Toronto ehun hia because ehun hia hwede oyo nya daje the ex president obi a wadi o man so da so ye konsani no obi a konsani de enti bifa o man hye ne sa ana me se so ye konsani de krache woni papa ni nya ne twabie ade no agudie be na ya na ye di ni sa no asa agro na ye more too much because of so MPP nti on your way na we na hia ne konsani o ye na hia so oba no be bo o man no a konsani na wo ka na hia unim yenim de oso yo ana oso kro nim de megina meye konsani nko an wo ye de ton chan so oba no ba bo Ghana forget it munya sa no mo no ne tan eyenim guase nkura sesem o man panyini na obetana na we konsani ebo sesa on communicate o kasa nya sesem mere nya sesem be pa na wade awi all because of say communication member nti kikawagene yes sir ya twa kikawagene okoji sika se be kikawagene de wo mi de anim nyina wo ka efe the politics ne ye no lesa mo dwene party no nko a mo nwene timamfo no yes sir ele ngwa sam so no because mo dwene timamfo no a mo nyesa no ma wi what is that wonim say ade a wo ka fa nipa no say ye no kuro say ye no kuro we a wo ka ye nye ne dai ne kwa nsani o ye ne fa ye ho bai so oba no betima bo Ghana kwa nsani na o ye ne fa ye ho bai uni o manfo beti kuro ma mu bibie ade ni mo the politics ni jimi too much aso bi ha indi won deserve ka so ya politics ni bi na o ye bi ase oni adwene serious o boys ni bi ni adwene o mu deserve so me politics so me because the rate awusiwa woni abra and na wo ye kwa nsani and you can take me to court or your consent no nya je na film odu sika na kotonsa no odu sika na kotonsa no uye ikura host ikura tia ogbo na ni kire say catch you are going too far still na dey 1 minute two ana 1 minute bi dey na 1 minute two yema ase ma unsuro wi awaka wa dwen sa no na wa consent and e bon wa kasa wentie and nyasa bia nim krache mama nyasa de no because de uye obi so ba to afiri ho de aba say de oto no ebi kwa so mentie se mi tie wiere de no so no e be ka no so adwene na anim guase so all the name of politics ya be na mo ba mo be bibia mo ma na mo kwa mo ni bibia ya ma entina na mo ko tro di sansem hunu because mo pa ya ma ka wa kwatena communication man team member de communicate with ekuro no ka bibi kire kuro no se o ye ba ye de eyeni de eguso eyeni na moto aba na sama de be ne enya jimisem sei na wo boro na wo yese no e fa ma be usika no do ko boro no edini ya watu moto generate ke social media peke ko massime political general o first time na subscribe leave your comment and share ugusu ehwe eye watu moto tv jumadi ni dindi atija one on nyagudi o ye boja ne fast yanko video of a communication member of MPP Dinko asemsa kotena se enya time airtime kan sesem kire o man na o man so yedi ekuro nkura se o mesare kwa de o maye ni ya bi jimi so na wato na wu jimi na mahama boro na wa yese na mesenya bia mahama do sika na boro mun kotena se mun kan sesem ne ye wanyansa fo okuro mu awo sabi communication team members na enyansa fo okuro mu a enti mu kwatena sa mun kanyansa ne yebetie no dan jimi no na se hunu na mudie na wenyansa bia nim oboro no me fa mo be na me so nim de me so me ye ya wo ka kire sa mahama oboro no nim de ye mfa boro no nye de we mu nyane afom se communication members jimi sa we de no ka subscribe to YouTube channel, leave your comment and share. I'm out. Share my message.